Hello once again. As I said earlier on, today we'll be learning how to open a document. We'll be learning how to open either a new document or opening an existing document. Word automatically opens a blank document when you start Microsoft Word. So suppose you're already working on, let's say, a project such as this. Then you want to open a new document even though you are already working on another project. All you have to do is come over here to the File tab and click on it. Once you're done clicking on it, you have either two options. You can either click on a blank document or you come to New. Once you come to New, you see a lot of templates. When you scroll down a bit, there are different types of templates you could use. But since we are still new to this course, we'll use a blank document. So you can see that we have a new document here open for us to start our new project or work on. However, our existing project is still here. It is not it has not been lost. So this is how easy it is to open a new document. All you just have to do is come to File, come to New, and click on a blank document, and you will have your new document here. So now let me close this. Supposing you didn't want to go with the long process, you could just use the shortcuts. And the common shortcut in opening a new document is Ctrl+N, and that's it. Ctrl+N, and you have a document. I'm going to do it again. Ctrl+N, and we have another document. So that's just how easy it is. Let me close this since that's how easy it is in opening a new document. So supposing you already have a saved document, so let's close our saved documents. Let's close this. So now we have only one document here. You can see it, only one. Now supposing we want to open a previously saved document, we can come to File, then you can see the recent document we worked on the last time. This was the last document we worked on. So you can come here and select the document you want to open. Also, you can come to Open, and click on, or you will then search for where you saved your document. If you saved it on your PC, you can go there and select the folder. If you saved it on your desktop, you can go over there. We saved Ultra Blue on the desktop, so here it is. If you saved it in any folder, I know I saved a lot of folders here. Yeah, so I've been saving a lot of folders. All you have to do is navigate to it. All you have to do is, I'm going to take it again. All you have to do is come to File, come to Open, then come to Browse. When you come to Browse, you then have to search for where you saved your document, and once you find it, all you have to do is click on it and click on Open, just like this, and it will be open for you. So that's how easy it is in opening an already saved document, or will I say an existing document, right? So that is it for today. The next time we meet, we'll be doing something even more interesting. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.